video, what we have studied is definition of a matrix and the type of matrices. Now, let us continue with initial few simple examples related to the matrix. Now, in that first example, what we are going to study is that how to construct a matrix whose order is given by 3 by 2, that is 3 rows and 2 columns, whose elements Aij is given by Aij is equal to I minus j upon 5 minus I. Now, when you have to construct a matrix, if you know the order of the matrix, so you know how many elements are there in the matrix. So, 3 into 2 means there are 6 elements. Therefore, what will be the matrix A? First row, first element will be A11. First row, second element will be A12. Now, there are only 2 columns and 3 rows. So, next will be second row, first element, second row, second element, then third row, first element, and third row, second element. So, this is the matrix of order 3 by 2. Yes? So, you have to find all these 6 elements. Now, how are these 6 elements given by? The formula given to you is this. So, the elements are given by this formula. So, I is the row element and j is the column number. So, let us find all these 6 elements by using this formula, and then we can write the matrix A. Okay. So, A11 will be equal to I minus I. So, it will be 1 minus 1 square upon 5 minus 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 upon anything is 0. So, first element A11 is 0. Next, A12, it will be 1 minus 2 whole square upon 5 minus 1. 5 minus I is 1 and j is 2. So, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, upon 5 minus 1 is 4. So, A12 is 1 by 4. Then next you have to find A21. So, what will be A21? 2 minus 1 square upon 5 minus 2. I is 2 and j is 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So, this A21 element is 1 upon 3. Next is A22. 22 means 2 minus 2 whole bracket square upon 5 minus 2. Again 2 minus 2 is 0. So, you get this element also 0. The next element is A31. A31 means I minus 3 minus 1 upon 5 minus 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. A32. 3 minus 2 whole square upon 5 minus 3. 3 minus 2 whole square is 1 and 5 minus 3 is 2. Here we forgot to write 2. So, 3 minus 1 4 square upon 5 minus 3 2, which is equal to 2, and this is 1 upon 2. So, you have all the 6 elements. 0, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 0, 2 and 1 by 2. Okay. So, what is your matrix A? So, I will write here. So, A is equal to, first write A11, it is 0. A12, it is 1 by 4. Then A21, it is 1 by 3. A22, it is 0. Then A31 is 2 and A32 is 1 by 2. So, this is your answer. This becomes your matrix A. So, understood how to construct a matrix? They will give you the element formula, and accordingly the order will tell you how many elements are there in the matrix, and then you have to find all the elements by using the given formula, and then you have to write the final matrix. Yes, clear? Now we will see the next example. Now in the next example, we have to describe the type of the matrices. Already we have seen in the previous video the type of matrices. Now I have taken 5 examples and you have to tell which type of a matrix it is. Now look at this example. It is a square matrix. Okay. The lower elements, lower triangular elements are 0 and upper triangular are non-zero. That means this is a upper triangular matrix. Now next example, here you can see 1, 2, 3 columns are there, but there is one single row. That means it is a row matrix. Yes, so it becomes only a row matrix. Now look at this example, order 2 by 2, diagonal elements are same and non-diagonal elements are 0. That means which type of a matrix it is? It is scalar matrix. In scalar matrix, diagonal elements are equal and non-diagonal elements are 0. Okay. Now 1, 1, 1 and non-diagonal elements 0. That means it is a square diagonal matrix in which the elements are only 1. That means which type of a matrix? Finally, it is identity matrix. Diagonal elements are 1. Now next example, 3, 5, 1 by 3 and non-diagonal elements are 0 and we have only diagonal elements. Therefore, which type of a matrix it is? It is diagonal matrix. Yes, so this is a diagonal matrix. Upper triangular, row, scalar matrix, identity matrix and diagonal matrix. Clear? The next example what we are going to study is verify whether the matrix is singular or non-singular. Now this also I have taught you that when a matrix is singular, when the determinant of the matrix is equal to 0. So first what we are going to do is, we will first find the determinant of the given matrix. Yes, so here determinant of A will be equal to determinant of this value 7, 5, minus 4, 7. We know that how to solve a determinant. 7 into 7, 49, minus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. So this becomes equal to 49 plus 20, that is 69. So what do you understand here? Determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore, A is a non-singular matrix. Yes? Okay. So A is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is a non-singular matrix. Now take the next example B. I have taken order 3 matrix. So we have to find the determinant of B. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Yes. How we solve order 3 determinant? First value 2 into 4 6 is 24, 5 5 is 25. Second term is negative, minus 3 into 3 6 is 18, minus 5 4 is 20. Plus third term 4 into 3 5 is 15, 4 4 is 16. So you have 24 minus 25 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 18 minus 20 is minus 2. And minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. 15 minus 16 is minus 1. And minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. So minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 and plus 6. So this is equal to 0. So determinant of B is equal to 0. Therefore, B is a singular matrix. Yes, clear? So when the determinant value is not equal to 0, it is non-singular, and when the determinant of the given matrix is equal to 0, then it is a singular matrix. Clear? Now, next example is find K if the given matrix is singular. In the previous only example we have seen when the matrix is singular, then determinant value is equal to 0. So, A is a singular matrix. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to 0. Yes? Using this definition, we will find the value of K. So, determinant of A means 4, 7, 10, 3, K, 9, 1, 1, 1. This determinant value is 0. So, let us solve. 4 into K into 1 is K, 9 into 1 is 9, so minus 9. Then second term negative, 7 minus 10. Third term positive, 1. 7 nines are 63 and k into 10 is minus 10k. This value is equal to 0. Now 4 into k is 4k. 4 into 9 is minus 36. 7 minus 10 is minus 3 and minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Okay. Then this becomes plus 63 minus 10k is equal to 0. Now 4k minus 10k gives you minus 6k. Next 63 plus 9 gives you 72 and 72 minus 36 is plus 36. This is equal to 0. So 6k is equal to 36. Therefore k equal to 6. Understood? So the matrix is singular. So determinant of A is equal to 0. Write the determinant of A. It is equal to 0. You have already studied how to find the determinant of A. Simplify and you get the value of k as 6. Yes, clear?